Outdoor lighting does more than just illuminate your home's exterior. It enhances safety, security, curb appeal, and property value. If you're a homeowner in Flower Mound, investing in professional outdoor lighting installation is one of the best ways to elevate your outdoor space. While DIY options may seem tempting, professionally designed and installed lighting ensures optimal functionality, aesthetics, and long-term benefits. Here's why hiring experts for outdoor lighting installation in Flower Mound is worth every penny. Enhancing curb appeal and property value. One of the most noticeable benefits of professional outdoor lighting is the transformation of your home's aesthetic appeal. Properly designed lighting highlights architectural features such as columns, stonework, and unique design elements. Showcases landscaping by illuminating gardens, trees, and pathways. Creates a warm, inviting ambiance that makes your home stand out in the neighborhood. A well-lit exterior not only enhances your home's beauty at night but also increases property value. Homebuyers often prioritize homes with high-quality outdoor lighting, making it a smart investment for resale potential. Improving safety and security. A poorly lit property can lead to tripping hazards and increased security risks. Professional outdoor lighting installation addresses these concerns by illuminating pathways, driveways, and entryways to prevent accidents. Deterring intruders by reducing dark hiding spots around the home. Installing motion sensor lighting that activates when movement is detected, adding an extra layer of security. With professionally installed lighting, your family and guests can navigate your property safely, and your home remains less vulnerable to break-ins. Customized lighting design for maximum impact. Unlike DIY lighting kits that offer limited options, a professional lighting designer will customize your outdoor lighting based on your home's architecture and landscaping layout. Desired ambiance, soft accent lighting versus bright security lighting. Energy efficiency needs, selecting LED and solar-powered options. Professionals use a layered lighting approach, incorporating uplighting, downlighting, and path lighting to create a visually appealing and functional outdoor space. Energy efficiency and smart lighting technology. Modern outdoor lighting goes beyond traditional bulbs. Professional installation offers energy-efficient solutions, including LED lighting, which lasts longer and consumes less electricity. Solar-powered lights, reducing dependence on grid electricity. Smart lighting systems, allowing homeowners to control outdoor lights via smartphone apps, timers, and automation. By investing in eco-friendly lighting, homeowners in Flower Mound reduce energy costs while enjoying a well-lit exterior. Durability and weather resistance. Outdoor lighting must withstand harsh weather conditions, including heavy rain, heat, and strong winds. Professionals use high-quality, weather-resistant materials that prevent corrosion and rust. Offer long-lasting performance. Require minimal maintenance over time. By choosing professional-grade fixtures and proper installation, you avoid the common pitfalls of cheap lighting solutions, such as premature wear and flickering lights. Highlighting outdoor living spaces. Outdoor lighting extends the usability of patios, decks, pools, and gardens. With the right setup, you can create a relaxing ambiance for evening entertainment. Enjoy your outdoor spaces year-round. Enhance the visibility of cooking and dining areas. A professionally designed lighting plan ensures that your outdoor living areas remain functional, comfortable, and inviting after sunset. Professional installation ensures longevity and functionality. DIY outdoor lighting often leads to uneven illumination, exposed wiring, and premature failures. A professional installation guarantees proper wiring and electrical safety compliance, correct placement for maximum brightness and efficiency, a seamless, polished finish that enhances your home's overall look. By hiring an expert, you avoid common mistakes and ensure that your lighting system remains functional and beautiful for years to come. Low maintenance with ongoing support. Professional outdoor lighting companies in Flower Mound often provide maintenance services, including fixture cleaning and adjustments, bulb replacements for consistent brightness, system upgrades to integrate new technology. With ongoing support, your investment remains in top condition, requiring minimal effort on your part. Final thoughts. A worthwhile investment for your Flower Mound home. Professional outdoor lighting installation is more than just a decorative enhancement. It's a functional, energy-efficient, and long-lasting investment. Whether you want to increase security, boost curb appeal, or enjoy outdoor living spaces, expert lighting ensures optimal performance and aesthetics. If you're ready to transform your home with professional outdoor lighting, contact a trusted Flower Mound lighting specialist today. With expert guidance and high-quality installation, you can enjoy a beautifully illuminated, secure, and energy-efficient home for years to come.